Milord, I have a child, Milord, who is only 7 years old.
So what?
And Milord, I stay there alone, Milord. And there are threats by the mother-in-law, by my husband. Each and every day, some or the other person comes inside the premises. I fear, Milord, to open the gate lock, Milord. Milord, me and my child, we were locked inside one room, Milord. We were not allowed to come outside my own matrimonial house, Milord.
You tell your parents to leave
Milord,
immediately.
Milord, first, my lord.
No first and second.
My-
Your parents have no right to stay in your matrimonial
gives me-
house.
gives me-
Because you say your parents are not staying over there, so I'll restrain them. And then if they are found over there, the police will go and send them out. All right.
But Milord,
No question. You said just now. So your instruction is they are not staying. Let them not stay. If they are there, they'll be thrown out. It's as easy as this. Who is for the state?
This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
I'm for the petition.
I'm for the
Your
respondent.
ladyship
number
would
8.
remember.
Respondent number 8, my lord.
Your ladyship would remember
Who is the
that
respondent number 8?
The daughter-in-law.
Daughter-in-law.
Your lordship would remember that.
Daughter-in-law.
this is a matter where the mother-in-law was forcefully ousted from her own premises, and subsequent to that, my lord, on your lord's order dated.
To file a report.
Yes, the state was supposed to file one report, and subsequent to your ladyship's order dated 11th March, I
Has
had
it
tried.
been acted upon?
No, my lord, that's where I'm coming to. I tried to enter my premises on 15th of March, my lord.
They are very
Thereafter, I went.
Please wait.
I went to my own premises on 15th of March. I was restrained.
By
I was
the-
not allowed. I was restrained by the respondent number 8 and her mother, my lord. Surprisingly, which I did not know that she was also residing in that
there.
premises. Now, my lord, I came to the police station, and subsequently, it's also a matter of fact, my client gave me a call. Being the advocate, I also went to the police station. I lodged a complaint there that I had been restrained. And after that, Sub-Inspector of Police, one Dipankar Banerjee, with his help, he wore a body camera, and he, along with the petitioner, went to the premises to safely reinstate in her property. After that, my lord, she could enter into the premises. After entering into the premises, she found out that her daughter-in-law's mother and father, they were also residing in that particular premises. My lord, I could not even stay there for even 24 hours. I entered there on 15th of March. Thereafter, I had mailed the police station that I could enter here, yet I was restrained more than for 30 minutes for 1 hour. Primarily for that time period, I was not entered. I was not allowed to enter there. And I was vigorously threatened about being implicated on false and frivolous cases, my lord. Each and every hour, my lord would see that I have annexed in my Can 1 application. I have mailed the police station about the ongoing incidents that were going on in that particular house. Suddenly on 18th of March, and my lord, I will come there later. On 16th of March, I was not able to sleep. I was not given access to the kitchen keys, not even the water supply.
How
not
many kitchen are there? One.
One, my lord.
One kitchen.
Yes, my lord. One kitchen is there. Thereafter, on 16th of March, I was physically assaulted by the mother and father of the daughter-in-law. And my lord, she purposefully instigated my granddaughter, my grandson, to poke me, to instigate me to do something wrongful. And yet I came to know later that one FIR was also lodged against me by giving the instance of my grandson. My lord, on 16th of March, I had to go to the police station. Before that, I had gone to the hospital to give one medical. I was physically assaulted because calling to the police station, I asked for help. I sought help of the police officials to come to my home and give me some help, because the peace and tranquility should have been maintained at that point of time. And when I went to the hospital and returned to my house, the doctor said that I need rest there. My blood pressure was increasing. I was abused. I was heard abusive languages. And I was pressed against the wall, my lord. Thereafter, I went to the hospital. After returning from the hospital, I was not allowed to enter into that premises again. I went to the police station. I have lodged the complaint, and till the date, I am not able to enter into that premises again, my lord.
All right. Yes.
My lord, they are very much inside the premises, my lord.
Means?
My lord, the mother-in-law, my lord. That's the instructor.
Why is your mother over there? Why is your mother and father over there?
Because, my lord, I have a child, my lord, who is only 7 years old.
So what?
And, my lord, I stay there alone, my lord. And there are threats by the mother-in-law, by my husband. Each and every day, some or the other person comes inside the premises. I fear, my lord, to open the gate lock, my lord. And now, my lord, I have, when the fact that on the very date.
What do you do?
But I'm a homemaker.
All right.
My lord,
So you stay at home,
my
right?
lord, my lord,
If your mother-in-law stays over there, where is the difficulty?
my lord, on the earlier occasion also I had said that, my
There
lord,
is no difficulty.
no difficulty. That is why your lordship had given that relief to the petitioner, my lord.
Right. Let the mother-in-law remain and your mother and father should go back to their own house. Do not let your parents interfere in your matrimonial issues.
My lord, I'm deeply obliged. My lord,
Tell
I
them
bow
to go.
down to
Let
that,
the
my lord.
mother-in-law come.
Yes, my lord.
Let your mother and father should go and the mother-in-law should be here.
My lord, if I may say, my lord, I had lodged an FIR, my lord, when I was wrongfully restrained in my matrimonial house, my lord. On the very day when my mother-in-law came, my lord, with police assistance, my lord. On that very day, my lord, after few hours, my lord, me and my child, we were locked inside one room, my lord. We were not allowed to come outside my own matrimonial house, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, I had lodged an FIR against the
Did
mother-in-law
you
on the very
approach
day.
the regular forum regarding matrimonial disputes and everything?
Lot of 498A cases
That is
pending, a
different.
domestic violence cases pending.
Did you
again.
get any obtain any order for
But it is
residence?
pending, my lord. It is pending.
There
They
is
are,
no
they are,
order
they are
for
not filing
residence.
any affidavit of assets and liabilities over
what?
there. My lord, that
You
is why
file-
the case is not proceeding, my lord. My lord kindly appreciates, my lord. I am a lady, my lord, having a 7-year-old child, my lord.
She is also a lady.
My lord, I deeply, I bow down,
Then-
my lord. I bow down, my lord. But kindly also understands my difficulty, my lord. I got married thinking that I would have a happy married life, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, my mother-in-law is torturing, and my lord, such allegations against her own grandson, that I have instigated my own son against my mother-in-law, my lord. Such allegations, my lord, these are very new, my lord. And my lord, a 41A notice has been served to them, where, my lord, the police had given them the choice to come back at a suitable date when it's convenient to them, my lord. They have not replied to that 41A
It
notice.
is for them.
Yes,
Whether
ma'am.
they reply or not, the law is there. Law will take its own course. But
Deeply
why
obliged.
will you not permit this lady? Where will this lady go and stay?
My lord kindly appreciates the allegations, my lord. She came she entered the subject premises on 15th of March.
I will listen to all your allegations, all your complaints, all your grievances once you let your mother and your father go out of that house. Your parents
Lord,
will not be permitted.
I have not created any obstruction.
May not be. You tell your parents to leave
Lord,
immediately.
Lord, first, my lord.
No first and second.
My-
Your parents have no right to stay in your
My lord,
matrimonial house.
gives me only one day, my lord. Let me come back with instructions. My lord,
No
let me.
instruction. What instruction to will you bring?
My lord, because, my lord, my instructions were, my lord, it's only me and my son who are living,
Yes.
my lord. It's not my mother-in-law who are living.
You know, let the police report be filed. It is
Very
also
well.
reflected there.
Gives me one day.
Very
my lord.
well.
Let me come back with
I will
instructions.
restrain your mother and your father, your parents to enter that house.
I'm obliged.
Because you say your parents are not staying over there, so I'll restrain them. And then if they are found over there, the police will go and send them out.
But,
All right.
But, my lord,
No question. You said just now.
No, my lord, I was only praying that let me come back with instructions, because my instruction is that.
No, your instruction is they are not staying. Let them not stay. If they are there, they'll be thrown out. It's as easy as this. Who is for the state?
The idea appearing for the state.
Where is?
19 Kundama 19 my only.
Get the report from him. Where is the report? You have it over here?
No, my lord.
Get the report. Immediately get the report from him. Have you followed? I'm passing it over for the time being. Get the report.
I'm obliged, milady.
Call the next matter, please.